Here we will see functions in Python. A function is a block of organized reusable code that is used to perform a single related action. Functions provide better modularity for your application and a high degree of code reusing. First we'll see advantages of functions in Python. By including a function, we can prevent repeating the same code block repeatedly in a program. Functions once defined can be called many times and from anywhere in a program. If Python program is large, it can be separated into numerous functions, which is simple to track. The key accomplishment of Python functions is we can return as many outputs as we want with the different arguments. Python supports three types of functions: built-in function, user-defined function, and lambda function. First is built-in function. The functions which are come along with the Python itself are called built-in function or predefined function. Some of them are range, id, type, input, etc. Next is user-defined function. Functions that we define ourselves to do certain specific tasks are referred as user-defined functions. A function is a set of statements that take inputs, do some specific computations, and produce output. Here, some commonly used or repeatedly done tasks are put together to make a function, so that instead of writing the same code again and again for different inputs, we can call the same function. Advantages of user-defined functions are: user-defined functions help to decompose a large program into small segments, which makes program easy to understand, maintain and debug. If repeated code occurs in a program, functions can be used to include those codes and execute when needed by calling that function. Programmers working on large projects can divide the workload by making different functions. Next is lambda function. A lambda function is a small anonymous function because they are not declared with the standard def keyword. A lambda function can take any number of arguments but can only have one expression.